we've been away for a little while. The vlog has been lacking, and I just wanted to address a couple things. Firstly, shout out to the people who have come to the channel from Amino Garage. If you haven't heard about it, it's a new app that allows you to communicate and show off your builds and also follow other people's builds and activities in the car community. But not only for cars, Amino is a good gateway for a lot of things, art and media and video games. They have an Amino app for just about anything you can think of. You know, there's a couple people on there that right away said, you know, hey, we like your YouTube, keep doing what you're doing. So I just wanted to thank those people for the shout out and coming to the channel. Secondly, a big thanks to the subscribers that have been following us. You know, we've not been doing this very long, and you know, we're just thankful for the few that have been watching and keeping up, and to the friends and family, obviously, that have been helping and supporting. Much love to you guys, and thanks. Back to reality. Basically, as of lately, we are still working on the WRX. Parts are taking a while. You know, money is obviously a thing, and no one's sponsoring the build because it's a daily driver kind of thing. So, you know, we're waiting on like master gasket kits and stuff like that. But like I said, I've been sick, and we're just getting back into it. And of course the weather's changing, so these next few videos, I'm hoping are car related. They're not like more organizing and moving and such, but if you're watching this, I really hope that you'll share this, and we're going to start doing, you know, readers kind of ride thing like the magazines used to do, like send me your pictures, your Instagrams, whatever, and I want to feature people. This is what they've been up to. Hey, they have a video of them doing flybys or a drive on a road or shooting flames or something, just whatever. I want to show off what you guys are doing too. This isn't just about me, and that's what we're trying to push for winter months. Especially winter here is where a lot of work gets done. You know, there's not a lot of driving to be done unless, you know, you're out in the snow. So a lot of these nicer cars, they're gonna be in the garage, and that's when people are like, oh, I'm gonna do my engine build over winter. Well, I wanna see that, so send me your videos, send me your pictures. Let's see what you're up to. Anyway, today we have this nice new table, and I'm gonna try to take the cam gears off this guy, and we're gonna get some engine stuff laid out here. Now normally I would never apply heat. Oh geez. I would never apply heat with the torch to the cam bolts, just because there are seals in there you don't want to melt, but these seals are gonna get replaced, and I'm probably gonna end up replacing the cam bolts too. Normally I would lock this down and try to get them with a breaker bar, but what you didn't see is we already tried that and it didn't work. Alright, got the 4 cam gears off. Cams look good. They weren't on there kittywampus or anything. But here's the timing belt. And yeah, it got, let's see if I can get this to focus. It got chewed through, like that's how one side's supposed to look. And the other half, it's way smaller widthwise than it's supposed to be. What I was saying about heating up those bolts, these are the seals that normally you don't really want to heat up. Obvious reasons, oil sits against those, and you don't want those to leak, especially putting it back into the car. That would just suck. But as you can see, this one's kind of wet, so it needs to be replaced. This one kind of too. So all those are being replaced, so I wasn't too worried. Now I'm going to take off the timing belt rear cover and some of these pulleys, and maybe this oil pan. It's been stuck on there pretty good. I've tried a couple different tricks. I got one more up my sleeve. So I got that off. The pulleys that I need to get off. Now I think I'm gonna pull the injector, the coil packs, and pull these valve cover gaskets off and get towards getting these heads off.
We'll be right back.